how I helped these clients dig themselves out of this financial rut. They had $75,000 in credit card debt and they had no idea how to pay that off. Hello everyone, my name is Sylvia Ho and I'm a financial landlord consultant. I work solely with landlords to help them save money, reduce the taxes that they pay, and decrease the interest that they pay the banks. I'm also known as the cash damming queen. I had a client come to me and they're like, Sylvia, we are landlords. We know you deal with, we know that you work specifically with landlords. We would like to do rental cash damming. We want to pay off our mortgage 8 to 12 years earlier than planned. But the problem that we're having right now is cash flow. We are so cash flow tight. We have $75,000 in credit card debt and line of credit debt. And how did we come upon that debt? It was so embarrassing, Sylvia. Life happened. It got out of control. Renovations, the roof was leaking. We had to go on vacation because we were so stressed out. We haven't been on vacation for a very long time. And now we have $75,000 of debt and we don't know what to do. We don't know how to get ourselves out of this rut. Our goal for 2026 is to take care of our finances. So as a financial landlord consultant and a mortgage agent for the last 25 years, we did a mortgage audit and a cash flow audit. And these are the opportunities that we saw. So with the $75,000, they were bringing out $1,500 per month just to service the 75 grand, but they were only servicing just the interest costs. They weren't paying down any principal. And that $1,500 was on top of the $1,500 payment to pay off their credit, to pay the minimum payments on the credit cards and line of credit was on top of their regular mortgage payment. And they were literally dying. They were so stressed out. They had this weight over their shoulders. They're like, what do we do? So I spent a good amount of time with these clients. We studied their numbers. We looked at their mortgages. We looked at their cash flow. We did a mortgage audit and we did a cash flow audit. And this is the solution we came up with. Number one, we needed to make sure that they had equity in their home. So we did a refinance on their primary home. So we consolidated all of their debt and we reset that back to a 30-year amortization to keep the monthly payments lower. They're like, oh, Sylvia, I know we have to do this. This is what my bank, my lender offered, my branch offered me. And I know I want to do this, but I really don't want to take 30 years to pay off my mortgage. But if that's my only option, then sure, I'll do that. And I'm like, well, hold on for a second. There's more tools in my pocket that I can pull out. So these clients are landlords themselves. They own a standalone investment property. Unfortunately, due to today's market, the rental income went down, condo fees went up, property taxes went up, and they were at a deficit of $500. And of course, that's adding even more stress because out of their T4 income, they have to, pay their mortgage payments, have daily living. They have to pay $1,500 in credit card debt, which is interest-only payments, and they had to bring out an extra $500 so that they don't default on their rental property. And at the end, they were thinking of selling that rental property, but today's market is really low. People are losing money on selling. So I'm like, don't sell. Please don't sell. This is going to be our solution. Because they are a landlord, I recommended a strategy called rental cash damming. And rental cash damming is an advanced financial strategy that wealthy Canadian landlords have been using for decades. But middle-class landlords don't know what we don't know. And this strategy, when applied properly, will help them pay off their now 30-year amortization mortgage down to 20 years. And get this, my friends, it's with the exact same cash flow. The exact same cash flow that they have today. So if you are looking to reset your finances and put yourself in a better financial position, whether it is to pay off debts, whether it is to take advantage of this financial strategy that's only for landlords, Canadian landlords, my friend, please comment me below and let's have a chat. Let's do a mortgage audit. Let's do a high-level cash flow audit. And let's see how much money I can save you. This is going to be a Zoom call. It'll be 45 minutes long. Comment me below to learn more. to get a link to book a time with me. Thank you so much for listening, my friends. If you like my daily training, my weekly training, please comment, please love, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it encourages me to make more of these videos. I'm Sylvia Ho. I'm a financial landlord consultant. I specialize in a strategy called rental cash damming. I'm also known as the cash damming queen. Take care, my friends. Bye.